you're the cross-eyed teacher?
Why? Because she couldn't control her pupils. Happy Bosses Day!
Hey, Ronnie. Happy Bosses Day. And I want to say I love Ronnie Mulqueen because you are a fierce leader and you totally just embody what leadership is. And I think that you're an awesome, amazing part of the school.
I agree with everything Brittany said, but I do want to add that not only are you an amazing example of what a leader should be here in the professional world, but also as a mom and a leader of a family, and I want to be you when I grow up. So happy Bosses Day, Ronnie.
Awesome boss, we love you.
Thank you.
Happy Bosses Day, Ronnie dear. Happy days will come to you all year. If I had a wish, then it would be a happy Bosses Day to you from me. We love you.
Hi, Ronnie. Happy Principals Week. I hope you enjoy your week, and I know that I couldn't have a better leader, so thank you for leading us through all the hard times and all the fun times. Ronnie, thank you so much for being the most supportive principal I've ever had. I can't tell you how much it means to me that I am able to feel supported in teaching. Thank you for your kindness and your support this year.
Ronnie, you're my favorite boss. Ronnie, brush your teeth, don't get to floss. Ronnie, happy Bosses Day this week. I just want you to know how much I appreciate your support. I know you always have my back, and that means a lot to me, and I just hope that you know how much we appreciate and love you.
Happy Bosses Day, Ronnie. I hope you realize that we love you so. Please never go. At least until I retire. No. She can't go then either. No. Thank you for always having our back, like Natalie says, for taking such good care of your teachers. Granted, it's a wonderful place to work. Mostly just because we have such a great principal, I tell people. Your turn.
Ronnie, happy Bosses Day. I hope you have, Bosses Week. I hope you have a wonderful week. We appreciate you so much. I love working with you. You are the best, and I know that you're always supportive. You're always there for us. You help us with anything, and you're just a fun person to work with. You are so kind and gracious, and I know your mass today said grace wins, and you always show grace and kindness, and I appreciate all that you do for us at this school. The school wouldn't be the same without you, and you've built such a good team here with all of the teachers, and we just have a good camaraderie, and it's because of the atmosphere that you portray for us. So thank you for everything. You are the very best.
We love you, Ronnie.
We love you.
Ronnie, happy Boss Day. Thank you for being amazing and doing everything you do.
Happy Bosses Day.
Happy Bosses Day. Thank you.
Bosses Day, Ronnie. You're the best.
Hi, Ronnie. We appreciate you so much. You are the best principal ever. We love working with you. We're each going to say just a little thing to you.
Happy Bosses Day. You're a great boss. It's fun to work here. And that's it.
Happy Bosses Day, Ronnie. Thank you for your friendship and for all that you do for us and for the school. You're a great boss. We love to work with you.